Hello guys, welcome back to my English comprehension exercise today on brand new vocabulary words. The two vocabulary words that we're going to go over today are alter, A-L-T-E-R, and altered, A-L-T-E-R-E-D, and altar, A-L-T-A-R. These three vocabulary words, they sound the same, but they have totally two different meanings, and they also spell differently. But as always, before we get started, guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button down there for me. And as always, it will be greatly appreciated. So, what means alter, A-L-T-E-R? Alter means to change or to make over something, to modify something, or to fix something, or to repair something. Let me give you this an example in a sentence. That Chevrolet car has been altered. I had my pants altered at the alteration shop yesterday. Did you understand those two sentences using the vocabulary word altered and alter? Let's use this word alter. Let's understand what the word altar is. A-L-T-A-R. An altar is a table or a place which serves as a center of worship or a ritual. It's a place where you normally go to church, and it's where the pastor stands or whoever stands at the pulpit to preach. Let me give you this as an example. We will take our communion service at the church on Sunday. Did you understand those two English vocabulary words, guys? Don't forget to use your English dictionary so you can comprehend the words in the language that I am speaking about if you do not understand it in this video. And also, hit that comment button for me. I need your comments, guys. Let me know what I can do to improve on these videos for your understanding and comprehension. And as always, guys, please like my page, hit that subscribe button down there for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, guys, stick with the next video so you can understand some brand new vocabulary words in English, so you can grow your vocabulary word. And it takes practice, guys. Don't forget to practice what you learn. That's the key to understanding the English language. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you during the next English exercise.